Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. It's got these two clamps here. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. Has a handle on the driver or passenger side, and you can see I just pinch here, flip her over. I can take this ramp down using only my index finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, does taper to 32 inches here at the base, but the standard ramps are only 30 inches wide on the side entry, so these are actually nice here. It's got your tie down points. You can also get a gurney or stretcher in here. You can see it's got your oxygen holders if you want those. Got the rear air, headliner looks good, 21 inches of room between these seats. If you need more room, we can always remove a seat. We can take a seat that flips up on its side. Let us know what you need. There's no one size fits all. Got a couple scrapes and scuffs on it, just from use. Probably wheelchairs back here. This is a used wheelchair van, but it's not perfect, but overall it is nice, it's clean. The dash looks very good. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, Bluetooth, dual climate control, rear air, so very nice condition. And when you get everybody loaded up, we do give a free set of pull tight, 2 straight and tie downs away with each van. Come back out here, lift it with one finger. Latch it down. Give the lid a good slam and you're ready to go. Quick walk around of the van, very clean. It's got brand new tires on it. Tinted windows in the rear. The exterior is very clean, hard to see a dent or scratch on here. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying it is very, very good condition. We do have a hail dent guy that comes out, looks at all of our vans for door dings. Of course, any hail, anything like that. This van did not need much. Whoever had it took pretty good care of it. Very sharp inside and out. Roof looks good as well. As far as the interior of the van, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we've got a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles on our website. This one shows no accident or damage, just one owner. Personal leased vehicle, last owned in California. You can see Carfax guarantees that there's no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, lemon on the branded on the title. There's no total loss. Carfax guarantee, no structural damage, no airbag deployment. Odometer checks out good. No issues as far as accidents. No open recalls. And as I scroll down, you can see the original warranty. The drivetrain, the 5-year, 60,000 powertrain warranty is good for the next just over 2 years or 20,000 miles, all according to Carfax. You can see this has been a California vehicle, so no rust, rust or anything like that. So I hope you can see we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. As far as the rest of the interior, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No smoke or unusual odors. Does have a little crack here in the trim. I want to show that to you. And trust me, every vehicle with 39,000 and some change, it's probably gonna have a little ding or a scratch or a crack in it somewhere. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you. Got your back seats there. I've got the armrests. These can fold down flat, just like so if you need them to. If you want us to put the flip base seats in that flip up on their sides, we can do that as well. And overall, the interior looks nice and clean. Dash looks good. We do have one key. If you want us to get an additional key made on your dime, let us know. We can do that for about half the price of the dealer. See the current mile, 39,480. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Got your backup camera as well. Great safety feature to have. We check everything big and small. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. You'll notice a lot of dealers, or maybe you're talking to someone off Facebook or Craigslist. You get out to look at the vehicle and you get out there, it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about. It's got a window that doesn't work, it's got a check engine light on, it's making a clunk in the suspension, or the transmission slipping, or got a big dent in the body they didn't tell you about. Listen, that's not how I do business. I'm trying to be honest and upfront with you. I want you to see exactly what I'm selling, exactly what we're representing, and I promise if you don't like this van, I promise you someone else is going to buy it, so I have no reason to hide anything. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Everything looks good, just exactly like we want it to. Got your emission sticker right there as well. And as I crawl underneath the van, you won't see much of the same. Remember, this is a California van. No signs of any abnormal rust, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any leaks. Got your air conditioner dripping back there. That's only natural. You know, the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles, they assume things. They assume because it's got fairly low miles. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They automatically assume the vehicle runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. You know, nothing could be further from the truth. Do not assume things. Look how clean this is. Look at our competition. Look at there. Do they ever show the undercarriage of a vehicle? Go look at their pictures right now. Tell me, do they ever show the undercarriage? Are they too lazy to get down and show you what you're getting? Are they buying these from New York, Chicago, all rusted out, all beat up? Is there frame damage underneath there? You know, I don't know, but I'm saying we go the extra mile so you know exactly what you're getting. And you know, if you're gonna be out used vehicle shopping, demand, especially if you're gonna buy sight unseen, demand a detailed video like this. And if they won't get off their behinds and get out and make you one, who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? So, you know, if the van shows up and it's not what you expected and you didn't demand a detailed video, let's be honest, you really only have yourself to blame. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. And when I get straightened out, the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. So again, exactly what we're looking for. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to us about those. You know, protect your investment, folks. Don't go spending a bunch of money on a vehicle and then not spend at least a few $100s to protect it for 90 days or so, you know. Also keep in mind, we have on Google 4.7 out of 5 stars last I checked. Go look at our reviews, see what everybody's saying about us, see all the good things people have to say about us. Also on eBay, we have over 800 feedback, and everybody left positive feedback. So it's 800 people said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. We've got a great reputation. There's a reason for it. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. We've got Carfax reports, we do detailed videos, we've got a great reputation, we've got a detailed website with just tons and tons of pictures. If you need anything else though, I want you to be confident in your buy. Let me know. I'll make sure you get it. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a great price online, and the next thing you know, they have a $500 dock fee, and an administrative fee, and a tag fee, and all these made-up fees. Listen, if the price is $10,000 online, the price needs to be $10,000 when I get to your dealership. Anyone else doing anything other than that is being deceitful. They're not being upfront from the start. And listen, that is not the way I do business. Nice hard brake, by the way. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So runs and drives real nice. Back to the point of, you know, if someone's going to do business, if I'm going to do business with somebody and they're not being upfront from the start, if they're not telling me the real price, I mean, of course you got to pay sales tax. That's a given. But other than that, if they're not telling me the real price, adding on all these hidden fees, what else are they hiding? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding title issues? Are they hiding mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. But if they're going to hide money from you, what else won't they hide from you? That's for you to decide. And hey, if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call the competition, one of those big companies like Mobility Works or Freedom Motors or Braun or VMI. I want you to say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah over at Affordable Mobility, I got his number. He's the owner. So find out if they are. I'd be interested to see how that works out. But hey, we've got financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send one to your email. Just let us know how we can help. And also check out our entire inventory with detailed videos and Carfax reports, www.mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.